He comes back in between the two players.
Inside, outside.
Oh, brilliant running to the middle.
C'est so, 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 c'est so.
I really enjoy the moment, and I will always cherish it as a moment. I think a couple of years back, I was also sitting there, and I never thought that I would be here one day, and I really will cherish this moment forever. And hopefully, if I did that and inspire kids out there, and hopefully we become lawyers or one day or a famous rugby player.
First of all, we're very pleased and honored and blessed as a school and as a community to have Sizzle here, because he's coming from our school, has excelled in sport, become one of the greatest 7 players in the world. It means a lot for the community and inspiration to the children, because rugby as a sport in go to our school is very evident, and the children are excelling in rugby, and to them it's a milestone, and they can look up to him as an idol, and hopefully they can also become the next Sizzle Africa of Mission Vale, and to make the world and everyone proud. We are blessed and honored as a principal and everyone in the staff.
You can't blame the situations that you're in for, and blame your parents or other people. Is what you want to achieve in life, and all of that is not going to come easy.
Okay, it's a very special gift. Go back, children, go back.
He comes back in between the two players.
Inside, outside.
Oh, brilliant running to the middle.